Hi guys, this is Patrick MoJo in the MoJo Dojo. I just want to run you through a quick tutorial on the lunge shift. I think this exercise is amazing because it can keep your body under tension and you're working the single leg pattern, which is quite difficult to do with a constant tension running through the lower body. I like to do it with my hands on top of my head, but the key to this is to make sure that you're not pressing down into your neck and compressing your spine. You still want to keep your head up and your spine extended, keeping your hands on the top of your head. Make your feet very, very wide with your toes slightly pointed out. You can see I've pushed both of my knees back because I want to keep one leg completely straight as I do this. I'm going to fold my body in half and lean right over this outside leg with my whole body, come back to center and shift my weight onto the opposite leg. If you're finding that uncomfortable, bring your feet narrower and do it narrower and sort of pulse from left to right, keeping your neck relaxed and your hands from pushing into your head and avoiding pressing the knee forward and leading by driving your hips back. I'll show you from the side. You want to drive your hips back, not your knee forward so that your heel comes off the ground. So your hands are on top of the head, shift into your heels, left to right, continuously moving, letting your knee track in the direction of your middle toe. That's a really important cue that you need to line up when you're doing this exercise. Thank you guys, I hope this helps and see you again soon.